Welcome back to the YouTube video. Thought we'd go out for a nice little relaxing night ride. See what the town's got to offer. Let this warm up outside for a few minutes. Should be good to go here. Nothing more creepy than seeing a school bus at like midnight. I just want to thank everybody for supporting the channel. You guys are amazing. I just want you guys to know that from the bottom of my heart, the amount of support you guys have been giving this channel is unreal. Makes me want to keep getting out here and making more videos for you guys. So I just want to say thank you about that. Oh, look at that. Just for us. Whoa, you gotta let me at least get going. You know, come along for a ride tonight. We'll go for a nice little relaxing cruise. Night rides are gorgeous. They're relaxing. Therapeutic, right? Go a different direction than we usually go. Usually we go downtown. This way's towards New Sudbury, so we'll go this way. Unlocking new portions of the map. That's a second of the same bikes I just seen. I swear I just seen that bike go by. Very bizarre to see two of the identical bikes, especially being a supermoto, like dirt bike style. Freaking mattress in the middle of the sidewalk. One thing about this city is you always hit the red lights. Both of these people next to me are on their cell phones. Like, there we go. That's not deadly. Nobody in the car is paying attention. Just get away from those guys as fast as we can. Not a whole lot going on in the city tonight, I don't think, because it's Sunday, but crack out in that parking lot doing something. But no, yeah, there's not a, I don't know, other than, I guess, city life, but it's nice to get out and ride. My birthday's tomorrow, so we'll see what entails about that. Discipline a bartender because she gets one of your pool table keys stolen, just gives out pool table keys to patrons. Like, who the heck does that? So you tell her, like, you can't do that, so she quits. Like, lady, you can't just give free pool games to people. The tables have coin operation for a reason. So she quits. Okay, well, alright then, see you later. Quit the day before my birthday. Happy birthday. I swear that's the problem with being a young business owner and trying to hire anybody who's older than you. They think they can make up the rules. I find people have a hard time listening to younger people when they're older than you. And then it's hard to find responsible younger people that you can trust. I've had a couple of them. The good thing is our daytime lady, we've had her for 2 years. She's pretty solid. Thank God. We have one good bartender. She's been with us since the day we've opened the bar. When we came up to our 1 year, I gave her a little 1 year keychain thing and a thank you and a couple little gifts. She's been the only one that's been solid to me and my wife. Well, other than my bouncers. My one bouncer's been with me since we pretty much opened as well. And my other bouncer's been with me for like 6 or 7 months now. Bouncers come and go because they get other jobs, right? And it's hard to do a nighttime job. Like, I totally get that. Work until 2 to 4 in the morning when you got to be up at 6 to 7 if you have like a day job. It gets hard. My entertainment's been with us for 2 years. Like, everybody else has been with me for 2 years. Just been having a hard time finding trustworthy bartenders. I find they all like to drink and party, right? So they all want to be part of the party. They don't want to serve the party. Joys of being a business owner. That's why these night cruises sometimes help, because you're always in your head about stuff, right? You always got 1,000 problems to fix. Just appreciate that you guys come along for the ride with me. I hope you guys enjoy the content at least. Try to conversate with you guys too, just to have a little conversation so you guys aren't just, you know, bored sitting here. There's apartments around here. See, I like coming into the city to be able to get on the gas a little bit, but only in like the store areas where there's a lot of stores. I don't really like to get on the gas when I'm passing a bunch of people trying to sleep. kind of feel like a dick. I don't like if they would do it to me, so I don't want to do it to them. Like right around here, it's okay. There's no houses around here. These are all businesses. Those are some big ass rims on that truck. I'm assuming you don't do the off-roading part. Something looks like it gets stuck on wet grass. By the time I get back home from this ride, it'll probably be already my birthday. It was like 11:30 when I left. Just figured I'd go for a short little ride. I didn't want to go for long. I just wanted to get out on the bike for a few minutes and smell the fresh air. Like I said, I can't say it enough. I appreciate you guys coming along for the ride. Man, that's like the third or fourth bike I've tried to wave at tonight, and then I'll wave back. I get I got black gloves on, but are you that blind, or are you not paying attention that bad? Man, I'm like having a conversation here, and I can see what's going on. That's craziness. I must literally be a freaking shadow on the road. Like I was saying, you can give me a like, comment, and subscribe. It means the world to me. You guys help push the algorithm. We're almost at 500 subscribers. I was at 494 when I left. That'd be a really cool birthday gift to get to, is 500. We're almost there. Next goal after that would be to try to get to 1,000. And then 5,000, then 10,000. See how many subscribers we can get. I just want to entertain the world and bring everybody along with me. I don't want to bore anybody, but as long as you're getting good enjoyment and entertainment out of it, why not come hang out? Join the family. Like even tomorrow, I might go for a nice ride. I might jump out on the highway. I don't know what's planned for tomorrow. It's my birthday, so who knows, but maybe we'll get out on the highway if there's nothing planned, which is probably not. So we'll just get out on the highway and maybe we'll go for a cruise or something. I don't know. We don't have any bartenders. It's just us tomorrow. It was supposed to be my wife working the morning shift, or the person who quit working the morning shift, and then my wife was going to work the night shift. But I don't know. We'll see what's going on. Maybe we'll just close for the day, or I don't know. Who knows? Maybe we'll stay open. I've never closed for a birthday before. I've worked every one of my birthdays, or we've been at work for them. We've never taken a day completely off. We're always at that bar 7 days a week, 4 days a month, 364 days a year. I take Christmas off. It's the one day I don't open that bar for sure, unless something happens. We get a forced vacation, but we don't plan a day off. It'd be kind of nice tomorrow if maybe we do close and go for a ride. Who knows? We'll see. I don't know. I don't really got a lot of people that I bring into my inner circle, so not like I got a whole lot of friends and people that I trust to bring around, I guess, and then being a bar owner, it's not like you're the most liked person. A lot of people seem to be either envious or they think you make up all the rules that the government makes you follow. I don't know. Whatever their problem is. It's not like we have a whole lot of people to invite to a birthday party or anything like that. And I don't know. My YouTube family, you guys are my friends, man. I got my best friend, which is my wife. And then I got you guys. So I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for coming along for the ride. I'll see you guys back at the garage. I really love you guys. Oh, I almost fell over there. Remember, ride safe, guys. Peace out. I don't know what the fuck I stepped on. I don't know.